Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to fund your Gemini account, you've probably wondered, what's the best way to deposit money on Gemini? Well, I've used all the methods, and in this video, I'll share my first-person experience and break down the top options for fiat and crypto deposits, focusing on speed and cost. Let's get right into it. For depositing fiat currency, like US dollars, the go-to method for most users is an ACH bank transfer. Here's the deal, from my experience, it's the most convenient and often free deposit method. The pro: you can usually start trading with your funds instantly after initiating the transfer, even though the money might take 4 to 5 business days to fully clear and be available for withdrawal. That instant trading access is a huge plus. Now, if speed and immediate withdrawal access are your priority, the wire transfer is your best bet. The pro: funds sent before the daily cutoff time can often be available in your account the same day or the next business day, and importantly, they are available for withdrawal immediately once they settle. The con: while Gemini typically doesn't charge a deposit fee for a wire, your bank almost certainly will, so factor that cost in. For large deposits where you need immediate, full access, the wire transfer is the superior method. I want to mention the debit card option briefly. Yes, it's instant for purchasing crypto, but here's my word of warning: the fee is high, usually around 3.49% of the purchase amount. My advice: avoid the debit card for deposits unless you absolutely need to make a small, urgent purchase and don't mind the premium fee. For a beginner looking for the best way, stick to the free bank transfers. What about depositing an existing cryptocurrency? This is actually the easiest and often the fastest method, and Gemini charges 0 deposit fees for this. The steps: click the transfer button. Select Receive or Deposit Crypto. Choose the specific crypto asset you want to send. Gemini will generate your unique deposit address and a QR code. Simply send your crypto from your external wallet to that address. The time it takes will only depend on the blockchain network's confirmation times, which is usually quite fast. So, to summarize my experience and answer the core question: for fiat, cash, the ACH bank transfer is the best all-around option for most users. It's free and gives you instant trading access. For large deposits or immediate withdrawal access, the wire transfer is better, despite the bank fee. For crypto, it's a simple, free process using the receive function. That's the straight-to-the-point truth on funding your Gemini account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this breakdown helps you get started on Gemini. If it did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more no-fluff crypto guides. I'll see you in my next video.